What it do, family? It's your boy Quay. And y'all see I got the camera on my head today, man. I'm gonna try to bring y'all along with me. Get y'all a little day in the life, POV, what you wanna call it. Yeah, we finna try to get turned around. They got a tree right there. But hey, once we get the bagging up, every bag up ain't gonna be a perfect one. These days you gonna have to pull up, and pull up till you get it right. But guess what? We gon' get it right. We gon' get it right. That good. He want me to come on back. Feel like we're good, but yeah, I'm gonna try to keep the video short and long at the same time. So I'll probably get back with y'all when I get loaded. Alright, man, he just blew the horn, so I'm gonna go my straps and get trammed up. Got strapped down, flags on, so we finna tip on to the mill, try to get on back, get us 3 feet today. If I'm yelling, my bad, man. I can't, I don't know if y'all can hear me over the truck or not, so if I'm yelling, it sounds like I'm crazy. When I look back at the video, I know what to do the next time. I won't be yelling and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna try to get on to the mill. That's a tight little turn right here. So we gotta stay wide. Check that mirror. Put that thing on in there. We pulling up to we done had West Fraser. Yep, it backed up. If it's about 5 out here, that means it's about 6 more in the mill.
The crane say 45 ton.
Alright, so we done got our straps also pulling up here to get unloaded. Stop at this old first cone right here. About right now. Hop out. And hopefully today they unload her. Had on 92,000. And they talking about the crane won't pick it up. So today I ain't got them like 88, 89. So it shouldn't have no damn issue picking that up if it got a 45-ton capacity.
Alright.
Alright, so we done got unloaded, and you get unloaded, just make it come on out of here. Make that little turn and you right at the scale house. That thing loaded now. Boy, there's some big. What it do, family? It's your boy Quay. I see a dog, but hey, I'm back out this thing, man. And we finna try to get a bag under the loader. I know y'all can't see me for real, but I'm standing on the step bagging up. But I just wanna let y'all know, hey man, y'all gonna get in some tough predicaments. But you just got to know what to do to get yourself, get yourself where you want to be. I'm in a sleeper truck, man. I can't just look out my back window or whatnot. I got to do what I got to do so I can see. So I just hop on that step sometime. I make it happen. And I'm gonna teach y'all another little trick too that I seen help me. When you get out your truck, if you by yourself a lot or you get there early in the morning, don't pull your truck and your trailer brake. Just pull your trailer brake. That way, when you get on the loader, if you had to pull the trailer back or forward, you can just simply grab it with the loader, pull it back, or scoot it forward. That's what I do when I'm out here by myself.
I know it probably don't weigh much, but hey, everything better than that. I would put the logs on there, but ain't nobody taking no logs tomorrow, Friday. I don't know why everybody want to stop taking on Friday at the same time, man. Somebody got to take. But that's all right. I'm gonna throw the little paperwood on here, and we're gonna take it to Prattville. Take it to Prattville International Paper, and we probably get back over here in the morning and load the logs up. That really don't look like a full load to me, and I don't really feel like cutting it. But I guess it don't make a difference if I got cut that paperwood and make a load out of it. But hey, either way it go, we're gonna get us a load tonight. That's for sure. And we're gonna do that now. We're gonna get us a load tonight.
But I'm gonna holler at my boy, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. What it do, family? It's your boy Quay. But I'm back out here, man. That rain coming tomorrow, so I got to get it while I can get it. So I'm gonna throw this old loader chip and so on, and try to get it out somewhere tomorrow. I know ain't nobody buying no chip and saw tomorrow. But hey, I think he said we might hire to another mill and get it out there. So we're gonna get loaded, man, and I done shot this over a little too far. I'ma try. No, I don't wanna do that. I'ma try to pick it up and pull it to me a little bit. There we go. Bingo, just like that. Set it on. And we're gonna come on around, grab the back, like so, right between that bolster. Right right there. Set that over. Just like so. And I'm gonna pull it forward just a little bit. Right there. You see what I'm saying? You get out your truck, man. Don't pull your truck and trailer brake. Just pull your trailer brake. That way you can set it, you know, where you need it to be. But I might get a little video of me loading and whatnot, do a little time lapse. But either way, I'm gonna catch you.